Everyone, welcome back. New brand video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix cannot connect to App Store after update iOS 17. If you face this type of error, so how to fix? First of all, go back here, home screen, and open your iPhone and iPad setting. And from here, you make sure that connect strong Wi-Fi connection. Turn off Wi-Fi toggle. At least the third scan, you have turn it on. And after that, go back. If you use mobile data, then turn on aeroplane mode. At least the third scan, you have turn it off. And after that, check where problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down and click on screen time, and from here scroll down and click on content and preferences section, and click on iTunes and App Store purchase, and from here enter your passcode and select installing app, and from here what you need to do is select allow option, and after that go back and click on in app purchase, and from here what you need to do is select allow option, and after that check where problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back and scroll down and click on journal, and from here click on iPhone storage, and from here what you need to do is check your iPhone storage and delete useless app, and after that go back and scroll down and click on date and time, and from here you make sure that turn on board toggle and make sure that select correct date and time, and after that go back, scroll down and click on VPN and device management, and from here if you have any connect VPN, what you need to do is disconnect, and after that go back and scroll down and click on transfer reset iPhone, click on reset network setting, enter your passcode and click on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check where problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method, go back and click on shutdown and slide to power off, and after a few minutes you have again turn it on, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.